So this is just a quick tutorial on how to use, let's make sure this is recording here, how to use the slider for the portfolio pages. So basically when you log in, you come to this area here. So for the pages here, we now have this slider that's in here, and this is for Pacific City. So this is all pulling from here. So this is where you'll manage them, create whatever you need to create, and if you need to add images or take away images. So this one, Pacific City. So we've got this here. And so these are the images that are showing up right in here. So if we want to get rid of one, we just press the X button right here on any of these images. If we want to move them for a different sequence, we just do this. So if we want this one first, we just put it there, and now that one's the first image. That would show up just for, and then over here is save. So it says it's saved. Now if we go back over here, we now have a different first image that pops up. So if we were to go to here and Pacific City, this is the image that now comes up first. Now that's entirely up to you, but this has been made easy enough to where you can just kind of drag them around, unlike what we had before that you couldn't really do a whole lot with. Now if you want to, like I said, you can subtract it, and it says remove slide, or you can add, and so you can either select as you normally would from your computer through here, or you can select from your media gallery, which we should probably clear some of this. So, and then you just press, so for instance, if this were part of that, you may, this is number 19. But you just press add to slider. And so see, now over here it's popped up as, or you can add all 10 to the slider. So you can add the whole page. So if that's a whole page that you'd like to add right here, you can actually add all 10 of them. We're just going to exit out of this, and we'll just delete this one here. So then you'd save it. Now if you want to create one for another page, all you need to do is you go to edit, and say you don't want to do add new, you just want to, when you hover over this, it has duplicate. So we just duplicate this, and now we've got the same exact slider, but now what we want to do is edit it. And so we've got, this I think was one in there. So we get rid of all the images, add images, and say for instance we just want to add say this one, and let's just do like, you can add as many as you'd like, so let's just do that for now. Now we can exit out of that. Now we've got all these images in here. So you don't need to mess around with any of this here because it's already been set, because we duplicated the one that we already had. So it's no matter what, it's going to look like this as long as you press the duplicate and then edit. So we've got this here. So if we save it, saved here, we go to this right here. It says embed into site. And now it says shortcode right here. So as before, how the other one was, it also used a shortcode. So you can see you need to have the brackets around it, and this is going to be ID number 7 for the slider. And now what we can do is we can go over to our pages, and right here, so I just made it in this one. And you can name whatever page. So this is blank. All you need to do is put that there. Now if we go to view page, oh, well, there's a sidebar on this one. If it were oh, right here. So this is your layout right here. The default one is based on this right here, on the one with the sidebar on the right. But for these type of pages, we want it to be a full width one, which means that it just has a header and nothing here. So we just go update. Now, as you can see, it will fit in to whichever area that you do have, so it's not a huge issue, but that's not what we wanted. So now we've got the same thing as what we had here. So we can now, once this is in here, we can just go back over to here and say we don't want this, and we don't want this one, and we want this one over here, and we want this one here. You know, just move them around a little. Then refreshing, it's not gonna. You just gotta go back to the page. So as you can see now, we've got. Do we have accolades? 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep. So now we have seven in here. So now we can go through here. So I think that should be pretty self-explanatory. If you need any help, you can always give me a call or email me or anything like that. So thanks.